Hey everyone, welcome back to our daily Integrately tutorials. In today's video, we'll see how to connect Webhook with Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically capture data from any webhook and send it directly into your Google Sheets. No manual entry needed. Let's get started. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. First, select Webhook as your trigger application, and then choose Google Sheets as your action application. Next, create a custom automation that adds a new row in Google Sheets whenever an operation is performed in the webhook. Copy the webhook URL provided and set it up in your external application. Then send a test record and click Done, check if received. After a successful test, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now connect your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want to add data. In the final step, map the incoming data from your webhook to the appropriate columns in your sheet. For example, map name from the webhook. Once you're done, simply test and turn on your automation. And that's it. You've just learned how to connect Webhook with Google Sheets using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details. Stay tuned for tomorrow's automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.